Wow! Boing! Oh, go, yun pa sa ano, gingerbread man. Wow! Wow!
Palpal, baka sudan. Sana all.
Password mo?
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
Morning, good morning,
Good morning! Today's vlog?
Today's vlog
Going to
is
Pasyal.
going to Pasyal.
Okay.
We are going to the
Green Park?
Green Park after the Kalakal.
Uh-huh.
We already
Okay.
park. We are going to Tush Brown
Then what? What else?
and
Ano pa?
go more some food.
Some food. Okay. Sa'yo, Atinola. Okay, see you guys.
See you guys. Just for a little bit.
Oh, antayin mo si Daddy. So guys, holiday kasi namin ni Jewel. It's 22 na ba ngayon? Yeah, 22 of December. So wala kaming magawa. Nagaya siya na masyal. Go!
I don't have school today.
Yeah, nagaya siya.
After the new year,
Uh-huh.
I'm going to the school and Daddy's going to work.
Yeah, but now, we're going to the Green Park.
Holidays! Now holidays.
So, punta kami sa favorite park niya, which is Green Park. Kaya sinabi kasi lahat green.
Green grass. Yeah.
So, nag-almusal na siya pero gusto pa mag-almusal.
I thought it
It's not. Sige na, go, go, go. Ha? Yeah. Kasi it's raining, so dito kami sa likod bahay namin. Walang magawa sa bahay kasi mami work. Kaya, ano? Hila.
You have another hamster.
Kahit na ano, malamig pa rin sa London. Maganda panahon pero malamig talaga. Ito lang maganda rito. Hindi mainit. Iwas high blood. Laging temperature is cool. Ano, okay ka lang? Ay sus, go lang. You first, no? Hello! O, doon tayo. Ito yung sinasabi niyang Green Park sa Acton Garden. Wala, maaga pa lang, 9:30 pa lang ang laki. Mga tao tulog pa. It's a Monday. Walang pasok, kaya ganun. Let's go here. O, mag-play ka dyan. Ha? Okay, go. Mag-ano ka muna. Pupunta doon si Daddy, ha? Sa upuan niya. Okay ba yun? Jesus! O, naka-play ka na. Hindi lang natanggalin yan kasi malamig. Kasi it's... This. Kasi it's cold. Wala ka sa mga. Nag-vlog ko.
Sorry.
Nag-upload yan. Wala. Oh, yeah. Stop this recording. Jogging kami, Silver. Wow! Good job! Para ano nga natin, kinain. Wait for me! Jogging. Jogging. Sige, mga tatlong ikot tayo, 3 rounds tayo. Para yung ano ni Daddy, yung heart niya maging ano, very nice and strong heart like you. Whew, sarap. Go more. Sige. O, dito ka. Wala mang sun. Inhale, sige, inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for your lungs also. It's nice for your lungs. Ayun, no? May sun na, palabas na yung sun. Sige, go. Keep going. Para yung lungs mo maging strong and Daddy's heart. Okay? Inhale like this, oh. Release and keep release. Woo! Ikaw nga. Woo! Say ho! Good job. O, ikaw na lang, ha? Okay na si Daddy. 2 rounds. Dito lang si Daddy, pagod na eh. 10 o'clock, palubog pa lang yung araw. Eh, no? Nice, Joel. Exercise ka for your lungs. First dito. Ayun, yung bata. 3 days before Christmas. 22 tayo ngayon. So, 3 days before Christmas, no? Merry Christmas, everyone! Yan, si Jewel ko. Wala kasi kami may content, kaya habang may upload kami, ayan, no? Di ba, be? Oh, squirrel! Habulin mo kay squirrel. Ayun, no? Mabilis yan, squirrel. It's alright. No, hinahantay ka. Oh. May araw na, oh. Tara, let's go to the other park. Andre Park, no? Yeah? Oh, may kalaro ka na, oh. Why are you scared?
It's the people.
It's alright. Go na. Saan ka dyan? Open it. Akin na, open ko for you. Oh. Be careful, madulalo yan dyan, ha? It's wet. Oh! It's okay! Yan.
I want to go.
Oh, let's go. Dito na tayo. Go na. Go. Doon sa kabila. Go. Go, my loves.
I'm shy.
Why are you shy? It's alright. Wala kasi. Maganda tayo breakfast, no? Oh. Oh. See you guys. See you later.
See you later.
Go. Are you sure? Hindi pa masakit ulo mo? Harap? Kasi ano, nahihipan ng ulo. Okay?
Okay.
Kaya wala ka ng coffee. This coffee for Dada. Hi guys. Just kidding. I like more milk. Yes. Are you sure? Kaya mo yung ubusin 4? Hmm? It's alright. Potato lang naman nila. It's potato.
You eat one.
Are you sure?
Oh, no, wait. It's got the top colder.
Okay. I eat one, yeah?
No.
Why?
You only this.
Why? Oh, si Dada. Wala anything. It's okay.
Okay,
Okay, it's okay. Don't worry.
okay. I will eat all of these. Daddy, you said this is for the cookie.
Yeah, this for to mix.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Sige, kita ka na. Maybe dito. Doon ako. Ha? Dito. Are you sure this one is mine? Hi guys. Breakfast in Jewels. Look. Try ka mata-vlog ko.
Hi.
Water.
We are eating.
Babasahin ko, ha? Mami said, tingnan mo pala sa little box. May itlap daw dyan si Marita. Later from Nico. Nico, later from Nico.
Oh my god!
Yeah. What Nico? From Nico.
My boy.
What?
Why? Oh!
Yeah, boyfriend. Friend mo na lalaki. Pupunta pa tayo ng Morrison. Doon na tayo mag-outfit. Kakain muna kami guys ha. See you later guys. Sa Lidl. Doon tayo sa ano, sa toys.
Mommy,
No.
what do you like?
What you like, mommy? What you like? Oh, we have that one. We have used electric, not that one. What's that? Scan it. Cards?
Okay.
What? That is it?
Happy New Year.
This one, eh? Oh, this one, look. Oh, Jewel. What's that? You like that one? No? Oh boy. Oh, let's go now, let's go. Merry Christmas.
I want it. Wait.
Toy again? Ano yan?
Please.
Ano yan? Sabi mo walang toy.
Yes. Okay.
Oh, let's go na.
Wait, I will change.
Anong check? Wow, a lot of Haribo. Merry Christmas. Dito ba tayo? Ah. Okay na? Wow, Christmas thing. Hi guys. Ano?
Bye.
Bagsak presyo na rito guys. Oh. 5p na lang. Lahat isang kilo.
Bye. Bye.
No, not yet. 5p na lang. No? Mga gulay dito sa ano, 5p na lang.
Bye.
Spinach muna. Let's buy spinach. Tara din tayo spinach. It's not spinach. Ayun, spinach oh. Spinach. Go, 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 go na. O dito, spinach oh. Si Babo na lang. Kasi mabigat. O dito, kuha ka dito spinach. Here. O this one, no? Spinach.
Yeah, exactly.
Penguin. O saan mo gusto? Oh, toys mo yan. Huwag mong ano eh. Nabili na yan. Tara na, let's go na. Let's go home na. Okay na? Okay na. Toys again? Toys again! Haribo! Giant strawberry. Haha, it's Rachel. Okay na yan, okay na. Bye-bye na muna sa vlog. Bye. Jewel, please. Come on. Nakabili ka na. You buy already. Diba? No, it's different one. See you guys. Tingin na, tingin na.
See you guys.
Oh, hi. Okay.
Hey, bye.
See you vlog. Thank you for
Bye,
watching.
Bye. I buy a toy and this is for
Ano yan?
Daddy's friend.
Uh-huh. See you next. Happy New Year.
See you next time.
Happy
Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas pala. Happy Christmas.
Thank you for watching our vlog.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye.